Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to insert a link your profile description in TikTok. This is where you can add a separate link to your Instagram profile. How do you do that? To do this, you go into TikTok and click Edit Profile. This is where you can add your link. Here you have Instagram and YouTube. We choose Instagram, and this is where we have to go through the authorization process. We enter our username and password. We log in here, and then you see a notification that I am logged into my profile. We can click Allow. A couple of seconds go by and we see that our Instagram is here. Now we refresh the TikTok page, and you can see that there's now an Instagram icon. People will be able to click on it and open your Instagram account. That's the easy way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.